That's not alcohol. Sanitizer.
Yeah, guys, can I start now? Okay. See, first try to understand this in topology, guys. Okay, first try to understand topology. Let me show you the main topology. First tell me how many networks are there here? How many are there? Five, right? So what are those? 1.0 network, 2.0, 3.0, 10 network and 11 network. Means 5 networks. So what is the task here? He has given us to do. The task is, he has given, let me show you that. Yeah, here is the command. The first thing what we should do, first assign the IP address for all the interfaces, right? Then next second step,
Routing protocol we have to see.
okay, any routing protocol you can configure, any dynamic or static routing protocol, like your dynamic, your EAGRP, static, RIP, any routing configure, or static also you can configure. Then next, after that, so you need to configure in R2, saying that 15 means you are going to configure standard access list, right? So he is going to deny 1.1 IP address. Who is that 1.1? This is the first PC of your R1. So this guy should be denied, and one more guy is 1.2 denied. So these two people should be denied to access your another network. So 3 dot network also should be denied. Means these two people cannot access to this network, and 3 dot network cannot access to these two networks. This is the objective of this lab. You understood? Okay. So still detail is there. I'll explain you that. Okay, first you should understand, he has explained very nice way. Okay, inbound, the traffic which is coming in is called inbound, is going out is called your outbound. Okay, same command he has repeated here. So still complete full lab not yet started here. Just I am explaining what is the scenario, what we are going to do it. Okay. So simultaneously at the same time we'll do. First I will complete.
First you'll complete.
First you want me to complete.
First you will complete.
At the same time, you sync with me.
We
Hmm. Okay, so this is the actually now what we are going to do it. Okay, so as you can see here, what is asking to do prerequisites for this lab is you can see design the topology, assign the IP address according to the diagram. As per the diagram, please assign the IP address. The document is already shared with you. Command everything is there. Okay.
Not this volume.
This is, you shared volume 1, but that's volume 2.
It's volume 2. Okay, I'll show you right now, no problem. So give me your flash, anyone, I'll show you right now. It is there. Give the flash, your pen drive, I'll show you right now. Okay, apply any updated any routing protocol as number 4, we can see, right? Dynamic routing protocol or any static routing protocol. We will do EHRP now. Okay. Then verify routing table reachable between your network by using ping or traceroute command. Okay. Then what we should do? Configure what is asking to do. So this is the task as per the rule given. So deny 1.1 PC, okay, which is the last PC in the topology. We can see diagram there. The same diagram already have drawn over there. Okay, so 1.1 should not communicate with the 2.0 network. Fine. You want me to draw the connection there? I will not, because it should be denied. So this PC should not communicate with 3.0, right? 2.0. Yeah, 2.0. Where is eraser? This PC should not communicate with this network, right? What are second connections? 2. Network also same, right? This also should not communicate with this network, right? This PC should not access, but this PC can able to communicate with all the network. Okay, that is 1.4 and 1.5. Clear? Okay, what is the next task he asked him to do? 3. Network should communicate with the 2. Network. Means this network, this should not communicate with this network. Right? But so this PC should be able to access this network. Right?